Hope you guys are doing super awesome today. So I was thinking, I have to do some errands today. Why not take the peoples along with me? So I'm going to take you guys along. I am going to be doing my toenails, these crusty nails. I haven't done them for 2 weeks. So we're going to do that. I need to pop into the grocery store. And I don't know what else I'm going to be doing. It's probably going to be just all random. But we're just going to be hanging out for just a little while today. And just to see what I'm up to. And so there is nothing to show for the outfit. It's just a black t-shirt type of thing. And just a pair of shorts. And just up to the knees. And that's it. Just a plain old, just outfit today. Nothing fancy about it. And I'm just going to put on a pair of flip-flops. So first we're going to start with the nail salon, and then we will take it from there. Let's go. And I just got some of these from Amazon. I ordered some of these from Shein at one point, but then I lost it. So I got a whole bunch more from Amazon. And I'm just going to show you guys behind the scenes quickly. This is where I film my videos. I used to have the storage on that wall. And so I thought, let me just move it to this side. And I got rid of a few things. So it's much better. I'm just trying to detox as much as I can. Well, detox and declutter at the same time. And of course, this is the table where I sit. There we be. So it's, I love this little area. It's really cute. I just have my little divider to the side just to give me a little bit more space. And this is my ring light. And I got this ring light from Amazon. It's really, really, really lovely. And what I love about this ring light is, let me just see if I can turn it around. So I just turned the lights on. It's very, very sensitive. The minute you just do like that with your hands, it comes on. And I'm just going to turn it around, but let me just turn off the lights. Okay, so you guys can see. So here you are, this is the on button, and you can dim your lights down, you can dim it up. And of course, this is a different mode. So you can turn this on, on this side. You can go pure white, and then you can go back to mode. You may not be able to see it. You can go yellow and white, pure white, and it's really, really nice. You can just adjust your lighting however you want. And yeah, it's really nice. And I got this from Amazon UK, so I'm not quite sure if it's available Amazon anyplace else. And that's the little flower pot you guys always see. I put my lighting on the floor. This is just a mirror to the side, and this is my box light. Okay, this is it right here. And of course, that's my chair that I got that from, I don't know, probably Amazon a long time ago. My table, my light, not my light, but my mirror is from Amazon. And I do have my other box lights right here. And I think this gives me enough light because I do have a massive window that's in front of me that's giving me extra light. So I don't need to sometimes put one of my box lights on. I can just keep one of them off. And this is it. So this is just a little simple, spend the day with me. And here we be. Okay, love my setup. On the other side of this room is a little bit more private. So, you know, you guys are not going to see that. But this is the space. Hope you guys enjoy. See you next time. Bye.